Welcome to the channel. Today we shall be talking about the subject entitled as Why Italian, that is European scooters, beat motorcycle for everyday riding. This is part one of our video series on this subject. We shall be talking about the special features of Italian scooters, that is CVT automatic transmission, ease of handling, better fuel efficiency, lower cost, lower maintenance cost, especially lightweight and easy handling, and one of the most important feature of a scooter, and that is built-in storage space. We can say scooters are smart choices for city life. This is part one of the series related to the this subject that why Italian scooters beat motorcycle for everyday riding. We shall be discussing in total 21 scooter features and 7 features each time. That is in 7 features in part 1, 7 features in part 2, and 7 features in part 3. This in general is our video number 115. Coming to the number one thing, that is CVT. Most scooters use a continuously variable transmission called as CVT, which means no clutch and no gear shifting, just twist and go. This is ideal for beginners and city traffic. And why engineers prefer CVT for scooter? It is simple in operation, automatic gear ratio selection, no clutch required, smooth power delivery, and low rider fatigue. And then, excellent for stop and go traffic, beginner friendly, reduced risk stop stalling, improved urban fuel economy, and enhanced riding comfort. The CVT transforms riding into a simple twist and go experience for automatically selecting the optimum gear ratio, making scooter exceptionally easy, comfortable, and efficient for urban transportation. The advantages of CVT, which can be mentioned as it has no clutch operation, it has no gear shifting mechanism that is automatically ratio changes, remove the need for manual gear selection. Twist and go, beginner friendly because it reduces the learning curve for new riders by eliminating clutch and gear coordination. Excellent for city traffic. Frequent stop and starts require no clutch or gear changes, reducing rider workload. Reduce rider fatigue, that is, less physical effort during long commutes or congested traffic conditions. CVT is for smooth accelerations. Continuous ratio changes provide uninterrupted power delivery without shift shock. Number 8, engine always near optimum RPM. Improve urban fuel economy, that is efficient ratio selection, enhances fuel economy in stop and go traffic. Lower risk of stalling, it's very important since there is no manual clutch, accidental engine stalling is virtually eliminated. And then, number 11, easy hill starts. No clutch, balancing is required when starting on an incline. Simplified riding experience allows rider to focus more on traffic awareness and safety than gear selection. Consistent power delivery provides smooth progressive acceleration across the speed range. And then lower a training requirement because it is easier and faster for new rider to master compared with manual motorcycle. It's ideal for daily commuting, less rider distraction, eliminates frequent gear changes, allowing better concentration on the road. And then improve passenger comfort. Smooth acceleration reduces jerks felt by the passengers. Reduced wear from improper shifting and compact powertrain design. It integrates efficiently with scooter layouts, contributing to the step-through design. And finally, optimized for urban mobility, that is, balances convenience, comfort, and efficiency for everyday city transportation. CVT. CVT makes riding simple, smooth, efficient, and, and stress-free. The second important factor where we can consider which can be very favorable, important in favor of scooter, and that is ease of riding. The step-through frame, low seat height, and lightweight body make scooter much easier to control, and especially for the new and less experienced rider. Step-through frame, you can easily ride on a motorcycle with its lower center of gravity, low seat height. It has lightweight body. Therefore, it is easier to control in every situation. Easy in stop and go traffic, better balance in at the low speed, easy to park in a tight space, confident and stable for all riders. Therefore, it is easy for everyone, less fatigue, better balance, quick response, efficient, and practical for daily use. Third factor which we are using for comparison is better fuel efficiency. Scooters generally have smaller engines that is 50 to 150 cc and consume less fuel, giving higher mileage per liter. They are highly optimized for city traffic, stop and go driving, and short daily commutes where a large engine would simply waste fuel. The result is because they consume less fuel per combustion cycle, they give excellent fuel economy, and that is normally called as mileage. You can travel a much longer distance on a single liter of a petrol. This makes scooter one of the most economical and budget-friendly modes of personal transport which is available. The fourth factor is the lower cost. Scooters are significantly cheaper to buy than motorcycle of similar quality or a brand. Why? Because scooters have small engine, simpler transmission, mostly scooter use CVT, that is continuously variable transmission, lower power requirement, lightweight construction, low steel consumption, smaller wheels, smaller fuel tanks, smaller braking system, and of course, lower manufacturing complexity and in total lower ownership cost. So over here we have in this infographic, we have simplified all these factors, summarized all these factors, and that is smaller engine, simpler transmission, lower power requirement, lightweight construction, lower manufacturing complexity, resulting in lower ownership cost. One line summary, simple engineering plus fewer components plus lighter construction is equal to lower purchasing price. Scooters. Scooters are engineered for economical urban mobility, allowing manufacturers to offer lower purchase price without compromising everyday practically. So, scooters achieve a lower purchasing cost through a combination of smaller engines, simpler CVT transmissions, lightweight construction, and fewer mechanical components. The design choices reduces manufacturing complexity while delivering the performance required for everyday urban transportation. Next come maintenance cost. Scooters have lower maintenance costs and especially the Italian-made scooters. Due to simpler design and smaller engine, maintenance and service costs are usually lower. Number one factor among this is smaller engine. Smaller engine means small piston, small cylinder, smaller crankshaft, requiring less lubricating oil and smaller cooling system. The result is less engine oil required, lower oil replacement cost, fewer expensive engine parts, and lower overhaul cost. The next factor related to lower maintenance cost is simpler transmission. Unlike motorcycle, scooter use a CVT instead of manual gearbox. Therefore, no clutch lever adjustment, no clutch cable replacement, no gear selector mechanism, no gear shifting linkage. And the result is fewer mechanical parts require servicing, which reduces maintenance complexity and, of course, cost. The bottom line is simpler system, fewer parts, less wear and tear result in low maintenance cost. The third factor related to lower maintenance cost is no chain maintenance. Enclosed transmission, no exposed chain. Traditional motorcycle require chain cleaning, chain lubrication, chain adjustment, chain replacement, and of course, sprocket replacement. Many scooters are enclosed transmission system, greatly reducing routine attention compared with an exposed chain drive system, thus resulting in lower maintenance cost and effort, reduced maintenance cost, and a clearer operation. Fourth factor, lower fuel consumption. Smaller engine, better mileage, lower cost. Although this is not a maintenance item, it reduces the overall cost of ownership. Small engine produce less heat, experience lower operating stresses, and consume less fuel, resulting in lower operating cost, improved fuel economy, and a reduced overall ownership cost. The bottom line is simple systems, less maintenance, better efficiency, and lower cost in every ride. The fifth factor related to lower maintenance cost is lower tire replacement. Look, scooters tires are generally smaller, narrower, and therefore less expensive as compared to motorcycle tire. Therefore, the cost of replacement is lower and reduced maintenance expenditures are the result. The sixth factor related to lower maintenance cost is reduced brake wear. Scooters are lighter, slower, designed primarily for city use. This reduces the load on braking components during normal urban commuting. Therefore, it resulted longer brake pad life, lower brake maintenance cost. The seventh important factor related to lower maintenance cost is fewer control cables. The manual motorcycle may include clutch cable, of course include clutch cable, gear linkage, and shift mechanism. CVT scooter eliminates several of these items, resulting in fewer adjustments required, fewer replacement parts, and lower maintenance efforts. Bottom line, less to maintain, more to enjoy, built for easy, economical urban mobility. The eighth important factor related to lower maintenance cost, which is very, very important, easier routine servicing. Typical scooter required includes engine oil change, air filter inspection, spark plug check, CVT belt and roller inspection, brake inspection, and tire inspection. These are simpler checks and smooth rides. The routine service procedure is generally straightforward, resulting in faster servicing, simpler maintenance procedure, and overall reduced or low labor cost. The ninth factor related to lower maintenance cost is reduce rider-induced wear. Protect your scooter, extend its life. With a CVT, no incorrect gear selection, no clutch slipping due to rider technique, and no misshift. Automatic CVT keeps the engine and transmission in the right range always, resulting in less wear caused by operator error and longer transmission component life. Bottom line is easier care, less wear, more reliability, more saving, and more peace of mind. The sixth factor, which we are using for comparison between the Italian scooters and a motorcycle, is lightweight and easy handling. Scooters are lighter, making them easier to maneuver in traffic, park in tight spaces, and push if needed. Scooters are lighter, making them easier to maneuver in traffic, park in tight spaces, and push if needed. Scooters are usually 90 to 130 kg typically, as compared to motorcycle of higher weight. Lesser weight, lesser effort. Therefore, if as far as the lightweight and easy handling is concerned, it is easier to maneuver in traffic. Lightweight scooter change direction quickly and smoothly, helping you weave through busy traffic with confidence. That is, less effort, more control. Scooters are easy to park in tight spaces. Compact space, size, and lightweight make parking simple even in narrow or crowded areas as shown in this diagram. Easy to push if needed when out of fuel on a slope or in a limited space. Scooters are easy to push and handle. Why it matters? Better control in stop and go traffic, parking made simple, less physical effort, and ideal for daily urban commuting. Lighter weight design is equal to less effort and more convenience every day. The seventh and last factor which we are talking about scooters for comparison with motorcycle is the last one in today's video, and that is built-in storage space. Most scooters offer under-seat storage, glove boxes, and even hooks, ideal for carrying bags, grocery, or helmets without extra luggage system. Front glove box is there. Under seat storage is available. Flat floorboard is available. And shopping hooks are also available and strong to hang shopping bags, office bags, and grocery, etc. What you can carry easily, that is helmet, grocery, laptop bag, raincoat, documents, and water bottle, more, etc., etc. Scooter, everything built in storage in multiple spaces, no extra accessory needed, lower cost, better balance and handling, clean, stylish, and practical. All your everyday items carried with ease. Whereas in motorcycle case, no built-in storage, needs top box and saddle bags, higher cost, adds weight with width, more parts, more maintenance. Therefore, scooter after offer more convenience, more security, more saving, and perfect for city life. Built-in storage, built for real life. That is the scooter key advantage as compared to motorcycle. Now, item by item related to built-in storage. The first main storage is under seat storage. The scooter engine is positioned lower and farther back, allowing engineers to utilize the space beneath the seat as a built-in storage compartment. Typical items like helmet, raincoat, backpack, and document can be stored here, including water bottle, tools, and first aid kit, etc., etc., thus resulting in convenient built-in luggage compartment. No need to carry items on your back. Improve security when parked. Then comes front glove box, less shield storage. Many scooters feature a storage compartment in front leg shield, which is suitable for smaller items, that is mobile phone, wallet, sunglasses, vehicle document, charging cables, and power bank, etc. Modern features, USB charging port, lockable glove box, etc. can also be accommodated in this section, thus resulting in quick access to frequently used items and enhanced convenience for daily commuting. The third special area is shopping, shopping hook, and bag hooks. Most scooters include a strong hook located between the rider's leg, designed to carry grocery bags, shopping bags, office bags, and lunch bag, etc. Therefore, the result is hands remain free, no need to hang bags on handlebars, safer weight distribution. Thus, we can say storage is smart and easy life, more convenience, better practically, and lower cost. The fourth storage place is very prominent and very good looking, and that is flat board. That can be seen. That can be seen in this diagram. Unlike motorcycle and scooters, have a flat footboard which can carry shopping bags, small cartons, backpacks, small suitcases, and water container, etc., resulting in increased cargo flexibility, ideal for urban terrains. Fifth location is no need for extra luggage system. Motorcycle often require side panoramies, saddlebags, rear luggage rack, and top box, etc. These add extra weight, higher cost, greater width, and installation complexity. Thus, the result is, in case of scooter, the lower ownership cost, cleaner appearance, and, of course, retaining better aerodynamics. Sixth factor related to built-in storage spaces, better weight distribution. You can see in this diagram, storage compartments are located close to the scooter center of gravity. This is very, very important. It maintains balance, improves handling, and reduces steering instability. Result is more stable carrying of everyday loads. And seven factors related to built-in storage spaces improve daily practicability. Few for everyday commuting riders can conveniently carry laptop bags, groceries, helmets, office documents, rain gear, and small purchases, thus resulting in greater convenience for everyday transportation without requiring extra luggage systems. Same is repeated in this infographic too. Now, the technical interpretation of this is scooters integrate this item. Scooter integrate storage into their design by utilizing space beneath the seat, within the front leg sheet, and on the flat floorboard. This eliminates the need for additional luggage systems, improves practicality, and enhances convenience for everyday urban transportation. Smart storage plus integrated design is the maximum convenience for everyday commuting. Built-in storage transforms a scooter from simple transportation into a practical everyday utility vehicle. This infographic also shows the same details regarding scooter advantages as compared to the motorcycle. Today we have discussed the seven important factors, that is automatic transmission CVT, ease of handling, better fuel efficiency, lower maintenance cost, lightweight handling, and built-in storage as compared to motorcycle, which has complexity and effort. Luggage hassle in case of motorcycle is there. For everyday riding, the scooter rules urban mobility. This was the end of our today's video. That is part one of on the subject of why Italian European scooter beat motorcycle. Stay tuned. See you again with the videos on similar topics related to automobiles, motorcycles, scooters, and auto rickshaws. Thank you and thank you very much.